Okay, that's all. Next. Hello.
Doctor, good afternoon. Doctor, my hair loss is getting more and more serious. You see?
It's really very, very serious. Are you not getting enough sleep? Are you staying up all night playing video games?
You know lah, doctor. You know daytime I need to go around different interior design firm get multiple quotation because my PTO coming soon. Then you know I have a Mobile Legend game coming out soon A Mobile Legend competition. I need to practice my mobile game. But most importantly, doctor, I very image conscious one. I need to continue to stay handsome and young.
Don't panic. When there's a will, there's a way.
How?
Well, firstly, you must stay calm. Secondly, make sure you have a proper diet. And thirdly, make sure you have a good exercise. And last but not least, use Renopedia.sg to get renovation quotes from various interior design firms.
Then do I need to stop playing game or not?
No need. But most important, you must be positive and calm. Once you're able to achieve this,
I can say goodbye to hair loss, right?
nope. Once you're positive and calm, you will come to terms with the fact that you will eventually go bald.